Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. Today we are here in Tavan village. It's very simple village in Saba, Vietnam. So here we have a room and we can share the kitchen with here. She have in the same kitchen here bakery. We back with cooking with Chef Azzam to make Palestinian bread, and of course I will make another things to eat with the khobez, like galait bandora, tomato ban. This is Palestinian things, and actually we do it when we are in the nature on a mountain with a fireplace. So this is amazing. Come to show you how. Yes, come here. She have here because like olives here. Here the very simple respect kitchen. We will use the simple things we have. We like to travel slow and not having to be in a rush to go anywhere. So if you are traveling, take the time to slow down and do simple things to enjoy the moment where you are, and not let so many things consume you from missing out on the little things. Till today, we still talk about making bread in the mountains. It's one of our favorite memories of traveling Vietnam. Now we make the dough and make it a rest for 1 hour. Now I need to make the tomato. I will use all of this tomato and garlic, one onion, one pepper, and of course we need salt and black pepper. It doesn't need too much things. So this is the galay pandora. It's very easy, but it's delicious, you know. We see it before, like we have a video how to make the bread from 0 to 10, so you can watch it and make this bread, this Palestinian bread. We eat bread with everything. So let's make now tomato ban, galay pandora. Sometimes I make it without the skin, but this is easy. If you don't want the skin, you just cut it like this and put it like this in the pan and cover it, and you can take the skin very easy. Onion mean basal, garlic mean tom. Of course, making Palestinian bread and tomato ban is something very simple, especially because it's my culture food, but something about cooking these basic things in the mountain was very therapeutic for me. And it's amazing how you can just switch your mood by being in a different part of the world. And it gives you something to think about when you are doing daily things from day to day. Let us know in the comment. Is there something that you enjoy cooking while you are traveling that also give you comfort?
As much as we enjoyed cooking in the mountains, it also gave our host and her daughter a good mood as well, warming up the house and enjoying something different. I love the aesthetics of this place, the wood, the rustic feeling, the rooster crowing.
All nice, yeah.
I like the character of this place. The old things, have the baker. Look at her point of view up there.
Should be warm.
But we first time to make bread in mountain, cold mountain.
Yeah. When it's cold, need more time.
Cool shot.
We eat.
I can eat
Yeah.
now.
First impression. First impression.
And even like this here, like sandwich.
Oh,
Cheese.
yum. So yummy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Yeah, good.
I will make tomato on fire. Okay, so this is Galet Bandura is very popular in Gaza. So we make it like when we make camping or something, or not camping. We sit like a group together in someone home or something like this. You know, the homes in Gaza, most of the home in Gaza is like village. You know, so everyone have his home and we have a yard outside. So we sit in the yard and we start to cook things like this. Yeah.
Also, when is the most popular time Gazans eat this meal?
At night.
At night.
At night we eat.
More than
More
morning.
than morning, yeah.
Okay.
You can make it in morning, normal, like, but at night,
At night.
yeah. Morning, more fool and falafel. Fool, falafel, galet bandura, this morning and night is nice. Okay, love. Okay. Little bit ketchup just to make it like sweet a little bit.
How does it taste? Yeah, it's ready to eat. Yalla.
Yalla.
Yeah, yalla. I hope you enjoyed another episode of Cooking with the Azzams. Chef Azzam, all the way out here in beautiful Vietnam. We're so happy to be here. It was a lot of fun exploring a new kitchen, and this kitchen and this space is really one of a kind. We don't want to leave.
Yeah, I want to stay here forever. I want to live here. Bismillah, let's see it. Really, it's very nice feeling when you cook like this in very nature, very relaxed. Like I see this the real life. This is the life what we should everybody live, you know.
Don't forget to leave a comment, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new. We are literally on no sleep. We got here with a sleeper bus overnight from Hanoi, and we literally just started recording and capturing this moment for you guys. And it's always nice to be able to film in a different part of the world. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing us with another episode on the channel and from a different part of the world. First impression. Wow. That is going to wrap up another episode of Cooking with the Azzams. Stick around because you never know. We may be filming maybe a few more videos from this location. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us as we spend Southeast Asia winter in a different country. See you guys on the next one. Aloha and
Wassalamu alaikum.
bye from Vietnam.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Like this and this.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice stuff.
Yeah.
One is rice, no bread.
Okay. Okay.
Sound like me.
One of my love language is cooking, regardless of your culture, your religion, where you were born, how much money you have. Food brings people together, and this is something that more people should be open to sharing with. And that's one of the beautiful things about traveling to different countries.
Wow.
You can eat honey with the bread, love.
Yes, I know. Wow, look at this, guys. Honey from the bees here.
That's
Real honey.
it's slow, real honey.
Wow.
I want to try.
Well,
This is honey. In the city, we eat fake honey. Here, real honey.
wow.
Oh.
Mm. Right from here. The Honey
Ah.
Hotel. The Bee Hotel.
From the hotel here.
Mm.
Wow. Last things.
Another reason why we love Vietnam.